Okay, about 20 seconds left for market open. Just from where the pre-open is indicating in the GIFT Nifty, where it is right now, we're touted to open absolutely flat for our markets. Yes, there could be some pockets of exuberance, some of the consumption names, retail names, the banking, NBFCs, PSU banks and private alike. Those could be some pockets to watch out for today, as is the case with some oil-related counters. So there you have the first rates on your screen, and let's see where the Nifty has opened. We were expected to open absolutely flat, and that is absolutely how the Nifty has opened. 26,333 is where we are at. Sensex too absolutely flat. Nifty Bank, look at the uptick over there, about 0.7% higher. 60,100 has been breached, and there are some names from the banking space that are doing exceptionally well for itself. It's AU Small Finance Bank, Bank of Baroda you have, that has reached a fresh all-time high. A bunch of these other names, Union Bank, IDBI, Maharashtra Bank, all of these names are at their 52-week high, as is the case with Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. So very strong moves coming over there as well. Let's start talking about some of the news makers then. Other than the banking pack, just want to take a look at what Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank are doing this morning. We've had the updates trickle in bright and early. Bajaj Finance was expected to be slightly disappointing. HDFC Bank on the flip side largely in line. Union Bank doing well for itself, but Bajaj Finance not doing all that well. In fact, it's HDFC Bank that's seeing a cut of about 0.5% this morning. Coal India then, anchor investors are likely to bid in the Bharat Coking Coal IPO that opens on Jan 9 and for Jan 8 for anchor investors. So Coal India doing well, another 2% uptick over there. On the back of updates, let's see what Marico, Nykaa, all of these stocks are up to. Marico, the consolidated revenue growth in high 20s is what we're looking at. So Marico should be doing well. Okay, 0.5% cut over there, but still a fresh all-time high for Marico. Nykaa, the consolidated GMV and NSV growth are expected to be in net 20s. Nykaa doing well this morning. Let's take a look at some of the value retailers. V-Mart, V2, Bazaar Style Retail. A mixed set of updates coming in. The SSSG number has been disappointing, but V-Mart doing well, a 2% uptick on the back of strong store additions. V2 okay, also doing pretty okay. Bazaar Style Retail deep under pressure, a 4% cut on the back of that negative 14% triple SD growth that we've seen. M&M Financial, AU Small Finance Bank, let's understand what's happening over there as well. A good set of numbers coming in from both of that. M&M Financial absolutely flat. Next stock, let's talk about Cupid, a 20% fall on Friday, and on the back of their business update, they expect quarter 3 to be the best performing quarter to date, but nonetheless, a 18.5% cut on Cupid on the back of multiple block deals that we've seen happen in the pre-open as well. JTL Industries then, exports are up 11% on a year-on-year basis, but flat sequentially, absolutely flat, not doing all that much. Let's take a look at some of the electronic manufacturers. You have Amber Enterprises and Dixon Technologies. Both of them have received approval under the new ECMS scheme. So Dixon is up 0.3%. Amber also doing well for itself, up about 0.5%. The lock-in period is going to be opening for some names like Sambhav Steel, Globe Civil, Brigade Hotels. So those stocks could be slightly under pressure because the chunks that are coming out of lock-in are quite significant. Sambhav Steel is lower by about 2.5% as well. Let's take a look at what Avenue Supermarts is doing. D-Mart also in focus on the back of its quarter 3 update, largely mixed update coming in, and a 1% cut on that front on the back of the revenue deceleration that we've seen is something that continues to haunt D-Mart as well. So this morning, it's PSU banks, energy, realty, banks, metals, autos that are doing well. FMCG is flat. Pharma also kind of mixed, but you have big cuts coming in on some of the IT names. HCL Technologies low by 1.5%. Infosys Persistent also not doing all that well this morning. So that is what the market breadth is looking like. Other than that, top gainers include names like SJVN, Jubilant Ingravia, Sobha doing very well on the back of its update. So is Bandhan Bank, Zensa Tech and Hindustan Copper. On the flip side, it's RBL Bank, lower than expected updates coming in, 2.5% cut over there. Polycab, Blue Star, LT Foods, Eris Life Sciences also under pressure. And want to see what Yes Bank is also doing, because slightly lower than what the street was estimating is where their updates have come for the quarter 3. So Yes Bank should also be on your screen shortly. Harsh, anything else that stands out to you?
Well, no, you've covered pretty much all of the universe. There you go. Yes Bank up 1% odd. Not exactly a bad quarter, to 2 to 2.5% kind of growth. Let's also pull up a Bandhan, for example. I'd be curious to know. The growth was decent there as well, around 4% Deposit growth was where it was lagging. But Bandhan is the other one which will be in focus, 3% higher on a Bandhan Bank on the back of those numbers.